Hi friend, I hope you all are fine. This video is about how to create Gmail or Google account on laptop or PC. So let's get started. Open any web browser, search for gmail.com, gmail.com, then enter. Now click here, create an account. Then click on for my personal use. Now here click create an account, then type your first name and last name, but last name is optional. Then click on next. Now here set your date of birth. Here April 10 1996 and gender male. Then click on next. Now here type your unique username which will work as your Gmail or Google account. Then click on next. That username is taken, try another. So available username is Ahmad Tipoy 32. Then click on next. Here type your password, 8 character. Then next. Then click on next. Here type your phone number. Then click on next. Here type your verification code that sent on your mobile number. Then click on next. Here type your recovery email address, or you can skip this optional. So I skip this off. As you can see, your Gmail account is successfully created. Then click on next and I agree. Thanks for watching.